Stop scrolling. Yes, you. You opened this video to study, but somehow you're here. If you're a student who feels tired, distracted, unmotivated, and guilty every single day, this video is for you. I did a 7-day experiment that most students are scared to try. No motivation videos, no fancy routines, just one brutal change. And what happened? Changed how I study forever. Stay with me, because you might realize why your routine never works. Let me guess your life. You wake up, check your phone, just 5 minutes. Suddenly, it's 40 minutes. You plan to study, but your brain feels tired before you even start. At night, you promise, tomorrow I'll be disciplined. Tomorrow never comes. This is not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is overstimulated. So I decided to test something. No Instagram, no TikTok, no Facebook Reels, no Shorts. Only WhatsApp for urgent messages. Let me show you exactly what happened. The first 2 days were horrible. I woke up and felt empty. My hand automatically reached for my phone. That urge you feel? That's dopamine withdrawal. Science says social media floods your brain with fast dopamine. Study gives slow dopamine. Your brain chooses fast pleasure. Turned phone grayscale, left phone outside the room. First 30 minutes, no phone. Just that. It was uncomfortable, but powerful. Something strange happened. I could sit and study longer. Not perfectly, but longer. Why? Because focus is not motivation, it's environment control. Your brain focuses when distractions are gone. Science insight. A distracted brain needs 23 minutes to refocus. Students check phones every 3 to 5 minutes. No routine can survive that. Study 50 minutes, 10-minute break, no phone. Just walk, stretch, breathe. Your brain resets. This is where it hit me. I wasn't tired anymore. I wasn't burnt out. I was just mentally overloaded before. That line hurt because nobody teaches students this. Emotional moment. You don't lack discipline. You lack mental space. And that's not your fault. Actionable habit that changed everything. Write tomorrow's 3 tasks only. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Your brain loves clarity. Day 7 felt calm. Not excited, not motivated. Calm. And calm is powerful. I studied without fighting my brain. I realized something important. Discipline doesn't fail. Your dopamine does. Fix that, everything else becomes easier. You don't need to quit forever. Try this instead. No social media before 12 p.m. No phone during study. Phone after work is reward. Turn discipline into a system, not a fight. If you feel behind in life, if you feel tired without working hard, you're not broken. You're just overloaded. And you can fix this, one small change at a time. If this helped you even a little, thumbs up this video, subscribe for student-focused growth, share this with a friend who's struggling. You're not alone, and your future self will thank you. If you want, I can also create shorts version, write thumbnail text, optimize description and hashtags. Adapt this for your voice or style. Just tell me.